Extend your USB-C power and data with confidence. Whether you're setting up a workstation, connecting peripherals, or just need more reach without losing speed, the right USB-C extension cable makes all the difference. In this video, we've handpicked the best 5 USB-C extension cables that stand out for durability, performance, and reliability. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Samzhe USB-C extension cable. Created to extend the reach and flexibility of modern USB Type-C connections, this high-performance extension cable is designed for users who demand speed, power, and visual clarity from a single cable. It supports advanced USB 3.2 Gen 2 standards, allowing data transfer speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second, which makes it suitable for fast file transfers, external storage devices, and high-bandwidth peripherals used for work or entertainment. One of its standout strengths is support for up to 100 W power delivery fast charging, making it ideal for laptops, tablets, smartphones, and other power-hungry devices. The stable power flow helps maintain efficient charging without overheating or interruptions, even during prolonged use. This makes it a reliable solution for extending charging ports that are difficult to access on desks, monitors, or docking stations. In addition to power and data, the cable also supports 4K video output at 60 Hz, ensuring smooth and sharp visuals when connected to compatible displays. This makes it well-suited for professional setups, gaming stations, or home entertainment systems, where image clarity and refresh consistency matter. Whether used for presentations, streaming, or creative work, it maintains signal integrity across extended distances. The male-to-female extension design adds convenience by reducing wear on original device ports and allowing easier cable management. Certified to meet CE standards and manufactured without high-concern chemicals, it reflects a focus on safety and durability. The build quality feels solid and dependable, making it suitable for daily use in both home and office environments. Overall, this USB-C extension cable offers a well-rounded solution for users who want more flexibility without sacrificing performance. It combines fast data transfer, powerful charging capability, and high-resolution video support into a single reliable accessory that enhances modern USB-C setups. Pros: fast charging, high-speed data, 4K video support, durable build. Cons: limited length options, USB-C only. Number 4. Jeyi YCCO6 USB-C extension cable. Built to extend the reach of USB Type-C connections without sacrificing performance, this extension cable is designed for users who rely on fast charging, high-speed data transfer, and clear video output in daily use. It supports up to 60-watt fast charging, making it suitable for powering laptops, tablets, and other USB-C devices efficiently. Stable power delivery helps ensure reliable charging during long work sessions or entertainment use. With support for USB 3.1 Gen 2 standards, the cable delivers data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. This allows large files, high-definition videos, and backups to be transferred in seconds, reducing waiting time and improving productivity. Whether used with external drives, hubs, or other peripherals, it maintains consistent performance across connected devices. The extension cable also supports ultra-high-definition video output at 4K resolution with smooth refresh rates, making it suitable for monitors and displays used for professional work, media consumption, or presentations. When paired with compatible USB-C Gen 2 cables and devices, it delivers sharp visuals and stable signal transmission without flicker or lag. Durability is enhanced through an aluminum shell connector design that resists wear from repeated plugging and unplugging. This solid construction helps extend the overall lifespan of the cable while also giving it a premium feel. Manufactured without high-concerned chemicals, it is designed for safe long-term use in home or office environments. Wide compatibility makes it suitable for many modern USB-C devices, including laptops, tablets, smartphones, hubs, and charging accessories. It works well with popular systems such as gaming handhelds, productivity laptops, and USB-C monitors. However, it is intended for standard USB-C use and is not designed for active Thunderbolt docking systems. Overall, this extension cable offers a balanced combination of speed, power, durability, and versatility for users who need reliable USB-C extension performance. Pros: fast charging, high-speed sync, aluminum shell, 4K support. Cons: 60-watt limit, no Thunderbolt support. Number 3. Vention TRF USB-C extension cable. Engineered to extend USB Type-C connections while maintaining high performance, this extension cable is designed for users who need reliable charging, fast data transfer, and high-definition video output in one solution. Supporting the USB 3.2 Gen 2 standard, it delivers theoretical data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, allowing large files, videos, and backups to move quickly between devices. This makes it suitable for professional workflows, content creation, and everyday productivity. Power delivery is another major strength, with support for up to 100-watt fast charging at 5-amp output. This enables efficient charging for laptops, tablets, smartphones, and other power-demanding devices without compromising stability. The cable intelligently manages power through a built-in core chip that detects connected devices and adjusts charging safely and efficiently, even during simultaneous charging and data transfer. For users who rely on external displays, the cable supports ultra-high-definition video output at 4K resolution with a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. This ensures clear visuals and synchronized audio when projecting to monitors, televisions, or docking stations. Whether used for presentations, media streaming, or extended desktop setups, it provides a stable and immersive viewing experience without signal degradation. The internal construction emphasizes durability and signal integrity. Thick-tinned copper conductors combined with layered shielding improve resistance to interference, helping maintain consistent charging speeds and data transmission. This robust design also contributes to long-term reliability, making it suitable for frequent plugging and unplugging in busy work or home environments. Its versatile design allows effortless connection to docking stations, charging cables, switch docks, monitors, and USB flash drives. By extending access to USB-C ports, it reduces strain on original device connectors and improves overall cable management. Manufactured without high concerned chemicals, it reflects attention to safety as well as performance. Overall, this USB-C extension cable delivers a balanced combination of speed, power, and visual performance. It enhances flexibility in modern device setups while ensuring dependable operation across charging, data transfer, and display tasks. Pros: fast charging, high-speed data, 4K video output, strong shielding. Cons: USB-C only, extension use only. Number 2. Unnlink 1995 USB-C extension cable. This extension cable delivers exceptional speed, power, and visual capability in a single refined design. Built around the USB 3.2 full-function standard, it supports ultra-fast data transmission rates of up to 20 gigabits per second. This allows large files, high-resolution media, and professional workloads to move seamlessly between devices, saving time and improving efficiency in demanding environments. Power delivery performance is equally impressive, with support for up to 100-watt charging. This makes it suitable for powering laptops, tablets, and other high-consumption devices, while maintaining stable and safe energy flow. Whether connected to a dock, hub, or charger, it enables simultaneous charging and data transfer without interruptions, making it ideal for modern multitasking setups. Visual output is a standout feature, supporting ultra-high-definition resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz. This ensures incredibly smooth motion, sharp detail, and vibrant clarity when connected to compatible monitors or displays. It is well suited for creative professionals, gamers, and users who rely on high refresh rate or high-resolution screens for their work or entertainment. The cable is constructed with durability and premium feel in mind. An aluminum alloy shell combined with nickel-plated connectors enhances resistance to wear, corrosion, and frequent plugging. The thick cable body adds strength while maintaining flexibility for everyday use. This design also helps reduce signal interference, ensuring consistent performance across charging, data, and display tasks. Compatibility extends to a wide range of USB Type-C devices, including laptops, smartphones, hubs, and docking stations. It is also compatible with Thunderbolt 3 connections, making it a versatile choice for advanced setups that require full function support. Available in multiple lengths, it offers flexibility for different desk layouts and connection needs. Overall, this USB-C extension cable provides a powerful and reliable solution for users who want uncompromised performance. By combining extreme data speed, high power delivery, and advanced display support, it enhances modern USB-C ecosystems with confidence and stability. Pros: ultra-fast speed, high power delivery, 8K video support, premium build. Cons: thicker cable. Number 1. And the winner is Ugreen US372 USB-C extension cable. Designed to extend USB Type-C connections while preserving speed and reliability, this extension cable is built for users who rely on consistent performance across charging, data transfer, and display output. It supports the USB 3.2 Gen 2 standard, enabling fast and stable connections for modern laptops, gaming devices, and accessories. Whether used at a desk or entertainment setup, it helps improve accessibility to USB-C ports without compromising functionality. Durability is a major highlight, with a flexible construction rated for over 40,000 bends. This long lifespan ensures the cable can handle frequent plugging, unplugging, and movement while maintaining a secure and stable connection. The flexible yet sturdy build makes it suitable for daily use in busy environments such as offices, gaming stations, or shared workspaces. Power delivery performance is strong, supporting up to 100-watt fast charging. This allows high-power devices, such as laptops and tablets, to charge efficiently while connected through the extension. It can fully support demanding charging needs without overheating or power loss, making it practical for users who want reliable power delivery over extended connections. Data transfer speeds reach up to 10 gigabits per second, allowing large files to be transferred quickly and smoothly. High-resolution videos, game files, and backups can be moved in seconds, improving productivity and reducing wait times. At the same time, the cable supports clear and smooth 4K video output at 60 Hz, delivering sharp visuals for gaming, presentations, and multimedia use on compatible displays. Wide compatibility ensures it works seamlessly with a range of USB Type-C devices, including laptops, smartphones, consoles, and accessories. It is suitable for use with devices such as gaming switches, modern smartphones, and USB-C hubs, making it a versatile addition to any setup. The balanced design focuses on performance, durability, and everyday convenience. Overall, this USB-C extension cable offers a dependable solution for users who want to extend their connections without sacrificing speed, power, or visual quality. It combines strong build quality with modern performance standards to meet the needs of both work and entertainment users. Pros: fast charging, high-speed transfer, durable build, 4K video output. Cons: USB-C only. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.